Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn defeaturing tool in a FreeCAD. Defeaturing tool is very helpful to edit the step file inside the FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my FreeCAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the FreeCAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So first I will open a step file which I have downloaded. Now I will switch to the isometric. In this step file, if I wanted to just modify this diameter or this edges, so how we can do it without making this model from the scratch in FreeCAD. So there is a very awesome tool in a FreeCAD which is known as a defeaturing tool. So let's head over to the part workbench, and in part workbench select the faces. I will select the diameter, and then I will click on here defeaturing. So you can see that material has been added. Same procedure we will repeat for this two as well. Click on the defeaturing. So now material has been added. Now I can create a cut as per my requirement. Same way, if I wanted to modify this hole, then I can add the material. So this is for the holes, but defeaturing tools also work for the fillet. For example, I wanted to remove this fillet, this all four fillet. So I will select all these four fillet and click on defeaturing tool. So now you can see that fillet has been removed. So this is how you can use the defeaturing tool to customize a part in FreeCAD. So this is a very small tutorial on FreeCAD to understand the defeaturing tool in a part workbench.